Good evening. How are you all? Well, thank you very much. It's my absolute honor to welcome you all here on the Power Plant Protection Conclave by none other than McFault. Today, we all are here to enter the future of power plant protection discussions. I would like to call upon Mr. Rishabh Jaini, India's leading power plants protection specialist and managing director of MK Petro Products India Private Limited. Please join me with a big round of applause in welcoming Mr. Rishabh Jaini.
Imagine the power plant as one big family. It's one big family that has a big vision, to shape the energy infrastructure of India. I made the mission to make McFault more useful for the Indian consumer than the foreign brands. Then the foreign brands were dominating the market. So I made that vision where I made the tagline that McFault करे भारत के निर्माण को सुरक्षित, which means that we are doing each and everything that is in our control that we can to protect the nation's infrastructure.